Hello. In this video, you will be able to get all the information regarding submitting U.S. tax information in your AdSense account. Attention! This video has been prepared by a platinum-rated expert of the AdSense Help Forum. The information provided covers all the requirements required by Google. Let's move on to the submission of tax information from our AdSense account. First, open your AdSense account from your browser. Then, click on the Payments tab from the menu on the left, and from there, click on the Payment Info tab. On the page that opens, click once on Manage Settings from the Settings section on the right side. On the page that opens, find the United States Tax Info tab and click once on the pencil icon opposite it. Then click on the text Manage Tax Info. A new page will open. This is the page where you will submit your tax information. Listen to this part carefully. There are many important matters you need to pay attention to while submitting tax information. I am not explaining these matters in this video so that the video does not get long. I strongly recommend you read the detailed information about these matters in the article I wrote about AdSense U.S. taxes on the socialskillhub.com website. After the section where you will write the tax information opens, click on the Add Tax Info text in the top right corner. In the window that opens, click on the text Start Form. Then click on the text Next. On the page that opens, the password of your Google account will be requested. Continue by typing your password. On the page that opens, you need to select your account type. Whichever account type you opened your AdSense account with, you need to select that here as well. I will continue through an individual account. Select the individual option and click on the text Next. Select the No option for the Are you a U.S. citizen part. This video is prepared for those who are not U.S. citizens. After clicking the Next text, two more options will open. The options appearing here are the tax forms that appear for us to submit tax information. We will select the W-8BEN form. After selecting the W-8BEN form, click on the text Go to W-8BEN form. In the Name of Beneficial Owner part on the page that opens, you need to write your own name and surname. You must strictly use the English alphabet here. After writing your name, you should select the country you're a citizen of, leaving the middle option blank. If you select another country, your tax form will not be approved. Whichever country you created the AdSense account in, you must select that country. In the Foreign TIN part, you need to write the tax card number issued by your country or the special identification number of the identity card of the country you're a citizen of. After writing these as well, click the Next button. Next, check the box in the Permanent Residence Address part and write the address information of where you live completely and using the English alphabet. After writing your address information as well, check the box in front of the text Mailing address is same as permanent residence address and click the Next button. On the page that opens, select the second of the two options, namely the Yes, I am eligible for a reduced rate of withholding option, and click the Next button. Check all the boxes that appear here. If a box remains unchecked, you cannot submit the tax form. Next, you need to select the country you are a citizen of. After selecting the country, complete the next steps by selecting them exactly as in the video. Select the treaties, treaty articles, and withholding rates between your country and the U.S. Select the 0% ones in all of them so that tax withholding is not held from your earnings in the future. After selecting all articles and withholding rates, click the Next button. Select the second of the two options on the page that opens, namely the No one, then check the box in the tab that opens and click the Next button. If you want to receive the documents by mail, you can select the second option. If you want paperless, i.e. electronic documents, click the Next button without changing the already selected option. On the page that opens, check the box to confirm that you have entered the tax information correctly and provided complete information, and click the Next button. On the page that opens, check the boxes showing that you accept the agreements stating that perjury is subject to penalty, and in the electronic signature part, select the option Yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the Tax Identity section, and click the Submit button. After clicking the Submit button, you can usually see the Under Review or Approved status. It was approved instantly here because the tax information we submitted was complete. If you see the text Under Review, do not worry, it will be approved within a few days. In some cases, some documents regarding the submission of tax information, for example, passport, ID card, or driver's license, may be requested. By sending one of these documents, you can get your U.S. tax information approved without any problems. Congratulations! You now know how to submit tax information in your AdSense account. Profitable earnings!